Your main objective on KiiChain is to complete tasks and claim reward. There are a lot of tasks that are being released gradually, and all you have to do is to complete the ones you can and get your reward. Your reward is measured in both ORO and KiiChain, alright, most especially ORO, because when you register newly, you will get key token to use as gas fee for the network and for the testnet. So in this video, I'm going to cover most of the tasks that we did not cover in the very first video, most especially the quest on guild, quest on gas, and so many other ones here. And from the time I made my last video till now, new task has already been added. All right, so I'm going to also touch most of those tasks as well. So do it to like this video, bookmark and save this video, because we are going to need it in the process of completing quests on this particular testnet. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends, and thank you for watching. So getting started from the home page here, you notice that in the first video we had task for users, we have task for builders. Right now they've added another task for buyers, and then we are also going to try if we can complete the task here. So let us come to users and let's discuss some of the tasks we need to do here. I've shown you how to complete most of these tasks in the previous video, right? Then create a landing position on white landing. This is also another task we need to complete. You can do this only once. You notice that some task has a tag of one time, some has a tag of weekly. There are some that are weekly tasks, meaning that every week you can complete the task and claim more reward. For example, this mint USDB and create a vault on Beamer. Although this task has a lot of issues because it is almost impossible to complete. You just need to go to this file, set your account with PMBTC, connect your Ethereum wallet address like MetaMask or whichever wallet address you are using, and then claim the file set on that platform. So let me focus on completing quests on guild for this particular video. So in order to complete quests on guild, let us go to guild. For those that might not know what guild is just a platform where projects use to run different promotions or activities for their projects. So on guild here, once you are on this page, the first thing, if you have not joined guild before, but for those that have been on airdrops for maybe a while, you must have created an account on guild. You just need to click on sign in or join guild if you have not joined before. So I'm going to click on sign in and I will connect my wallet. So you choose any of your wallets and you connect. Okay, I verify my wallet address, sign this. Now, this is not the first time for me using this platform called Guild. I have used it before, and then KiiChain is also using it to run social tasks. And then so far, the only task that is available is to like a post on Twitter and repost a post on Twitter and explore key ecosystem on gas. So on the Guild platform, after connecting your wallet, there are still other things you need to do. For example, come to your profile from the top right corner, and then you need to connect all of your social accounts, okay? Because every project might require you to complete tasks on different platforms. So far, I have connected my Twitter account, which is crypto_catch. I've also connected my Telegram, my Discord, which is the crypto catch. This is my Discord. Also, this is my email address. You can go ahead and connect your Telegram, your Google account, because you are also going to be needing Guild for any other project that runs social tasks using Guild. So, but for now, all we are going to be needing is our wallet address, our Twitter account. So to complete the 3 tasks that is available here, I'll just click on here to be redirected to Twitter. While that is going, I'm going to click on the second one so that I can complete the both tasks together. Another thing is that you need to participate in the explore the key ecosystem on gas. That means to complete the quest on Guild, you need to complete one particular quest on gas. I will just open this on a new tab, opening a new tab. Alright, so once all of the link have been redirected, you just need to go to each of them and complete the task. This one is repost. I will repost. The next one is like, right? I'm going to like it. So let me just close those tabs since I have completed the task on it. Close, right? Now this one here is for gas. On the guild here, you are required to complete a quest on gas. So I'm going to come to it, and then the first thing I need to do is to log in my gas account, right? I'm going to log in using my wallet address. So you need to choose your wallet. In this case, I'm using Rabi wallet, right? If this is your first time using gas and you're not familiar with how to use it, watch the video showing on your screen right now. It's a video I made on gas to show you how to complete tasks and also how to claim your reward. Now, you can see that there are a lot of tasks you need to complete in order for you to claim this task reward here, right? So let us start from the very beginning. It is very easy and social task. Just follow KiiChain on X, follow these maybe their founders and their creators on X, retweet some of their tweets, follow KiiChain on gas. To follow this KiiChain on gas, you just need to come to here, hit place you see KiiChain, click on follow. That one is done. I think there might be task for Discord. Okay, there's no task for Discord. Everything you have here is just Twitter task. So complete each one of them from the beginning till the end. Then once that is done, then we can claim the reward. So let's start with that. I'll click on follow. Now while that is loading, I will click on follow for the second one. This is how I would like to complete my task. I'll click on follow for the third one. So I'll return to each of them. Number 1, follow. I'll click on follow. Number 2, I'll click on follow. Number 3, I'll click on follow. I'm already following KiiChain. I can close each of them now. Okay. Then for the 3 of them, I will just click on this reload button that you see here for each of them. Once it updates, they will all be marked as complete. You can see that, right? I've completed the 3 of them. This is how you complete task here. So you go to the next one, like and retweet this post. Each of these tasks here gives you points. All right. So you can see that even some of the other tasks that I have completed is already marked because I have followed KiiChain on gas. It's marked as complete. Visit the testnet. I'll just click on this, continue access. I'll return here. Like this post and retweet on Twitter. I'll do that. So once you've completed all of the tasks, follow on Twitter, retweet on Twitter, you just need to come and click on the reload button for the task. Once you click on one and it reloads, every other one that we've completed will be marked. I'll click on that again. And you can see that everything is now completed. I've completed everything. The last task here is to refer friends. So you can copy your link, copy this link here. When you click on copy, then you can share with your friends. The more friends you refer, but it is optional. Then the next thing you need to do is to claim points. Now, at this point of claim points, this is where you need to watch my previous video where I have made mention on how you can successfully claim each of these points, because you will need to stake some amount of money in your gas smart savings so that you'll be able to successfully claim points for each task that you complete. So waiting for LSD token approval. So it is now claimed and successful. You can see 85 points, right? Now if you return back here, you're going to see that this point is now marked as claimed for you. Now if you want to complete more KiiChain tasks on this gas platform, just come here and click on KiiChain. From KiiChain here, when you scroll down, you're going to see all of the tasks available for KiiChain under gas platform. You can see them here. There are so many tasks available. They keep releasing tasks more and more, and many of them has already ended. So what you need to do is that you need to keep up on this page here and complete all of the tasks as you see. The one we just completed now is this follow X, because most of the tasks we did there is following on X. So if you click on explore the key ecosystem on gas, you are also going to see different other tasks that you need to complete. Also $500 giveaway, you can complete this as well. So now that we have completed most of these tasks here, let us return to guild here so that we can claim and complete this particular quest. Now what you need to do is, after you have followed on Twitter, you have reposted on X, and you have participated on this task on gas, the next thing you should do is to click on join guild to check access. I'm going to click on this and check access to join. I'm going to click on check access to join, then give it time to check all of the tasks if you have completed it. successfully joined Guild. Let others know as well by sharing it on Webcast or X. So you can see that I've completed my quest on Guild. So we keep checking on this platform. If they release more tasks, we can complete it. So far I have shown you how to complete quest on Guild, how to complete quest on Gas. So these two are completed now. Let's return to the KiiChain testnet. Now when you complete your quest on Guild and on Gas, there is no reward attached to it. All right, like there's no ORO. The way you see here that if you complete this you get 1 ORO, there is no reward attached to completing quest on Guild or completing quest on Gas, but they are still very important for you to complete. So other ones you can complete is on payment. Completing quests on platforms like this just require you to connect your social account and follow and retweet. That is all you need to do. Now another thing you need to do is that as you are completing quests, you're also going to be getting additional reward. Now if you have completed 3 quests on this KiiChain testnet, you need to claim 2 ORO. So I'm going to click on claim available to claim that. So as I move ahead, once I complete 8 tasks, I can claim 5 ORO as well. If I complete 10 quests, I'm going to claim 8 ORO as well. So I have claimed the first one. All right, I have claimed the quest one. So complete more tasks to receive more reward. Let us check out one task. There's one task I want to show you that you need to complete on this platform. When you come to task for builders, this particular task here that says send 10 key to Cosmos Hub via transfer page on Explorer. Let me show you how to complete this quest here. It is very easy to complete and it gives you 3 ORO. So you need to click on go to transfer page on Explorer. Once you're here, the task is very easy to complete. The first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet, and this place you are connecting your Ethereum wallet. Now that my Ethereum wallet is connected, make sure that it is under KiiChain ORO. The network is under KiiChain ORO here. Now once you've done that, this is what you need to do. You come to this Cosmos Hub testnet page. Alright, this place there, token will be key. You are sending your key token into destination address, into your Cosmos wallet address. Now for those of you that are doing Union testnet, you already have a Cosmos wallet address. Go to your Kepler wallet. For those that are doing Union testnet, you know what Kepler wallet is, right? So you are going to search for Cosmos. All right, once you just want to type it, it will come out here. Look at it here, Cosmos Hub testnet. This is the wallet that you need. I'm going to click on enable for it. Okay, Cosmos Hub testnet, I'm going to enable that. So now that it's enabled, I will return back here and search for it again. I'll see search for it, Cosmos. Okay, this is it here, Atom. So I will click on it and then click on receive, and I will copy the wallet address. So the wallet address is copied. Let me show you how to do that again. Just use the search option to search for Cosmos. As you are typing it, Cosmos Hub or Atom will come out. Click on it to enable it. If it is not enabled, click on enable. Once it is enabled, return here and search for it again. This time you can just click on copy. So once it is copied, paste it under destination address. You paste your Cosmos Hub destination address here. From the task on KiiChain, it says send 10 key to Cosmos Hub via transfer page on Explorer. You must not send 10. All right, in this case I'm not even going to send 10. What I will send is 1, and then I'll click on send to Cosmos Hub testnet. The reason why I'm sending only 1 is that this key is very scarce. I don't want to send 10 and at the end of the day I don't have enough key to complete my quest on the KiiChain testnet. So I'm going to send to Cosmos Hub. Okay, IBC transfer successfully completed. So the transaction is completed, right? What you need to do now is that you return back to KiiChain and then paste your Cosmos Hub wallet address here. I'm just going to paste my Cosmos Hub wallet address. Don't make mistake. Then you click on validate transaction. So it depends on, I'm going to do that again, because since it is blockchain transaction, it needs to be successful on the blockchain before you can claim it. All you need to do is that give it time. Once, maybe like in 5 or 10 minutes time, you click on validate transaction. Just make sure that you are pasting your Cosmos Hub wallet address here. Once the transaction is successful on the blockchain, you click on validate transaction. It will be automatically marked as completed, and you will get 3 ORO token as your reward. Okay, so I'm going to leave that now. Launch a liquidity pool on KiiDex. So even as a builder, you can also complete this particular task. Let us do that. I'm going to go to KiiDex. Now, once you are here, of course, make sure you connect your wallet at the top right corner, and on this place you are going to be seeing Ethereum logo. Just click on it and select KiiChain ORO as your network. Now you need to provide liquidity. You can see that I have already provided liquidity before now under USDT and Key token, but I need to provide a new liquidity. So I'm going to click on new here. The pairs of token I'm going to create the pairs of token I'm going to be using to create my liquidity. I'm going to choose a different token here. I want to use USDC against wrapped Bitcoin. So you can go to the swap section here to swap your key to any other tokens you want to use for your liquidity. So once I have selected the 2 tokens I want to use to provide liquidity, I will select 0.3 tier as percent. Then I will put it under full range. I like to put it under full range so that it will just go smoothly. Then I will check the token. Let me put this on max. All right, so I'm providing USDC against WBTC. So I need to approve the both token, the 2 of the tokens. I will approve USDC, and also I will approve WBTC. Now that the 2 tokens are already approved, right, I'll click on preview. This is where I add the liquidity. So I'll click on add to add this to liquidity pool. Confirm transaction on your wallet. Now I'll wait for my wallet. And there is it. Liquidity has been provided. You can see my USD balance is now 0 and my BTC balance has reduced. What next to do now? I'll just need to come back here and reload this page. And you can see that the liquidity is now added. You can see USDC against WBTC. This is the second liquidity that I just provided right now. Now that I'm done here, I will return to the KiiChain testnet under the builders section, and then I have launched a liquidity pool on KiiDex, right? Then I'm going to click on, you can see claim is now available. I will click on claim available. Okay, once that is approved, you notice that my ORO balance will increase by 3 because the reward is 3, right? So I have successfully claimed the 3 ORO for this particular task. Now let me also check this again to see if it is now successful. Validate transaction. I will wait for that. Internal server error, please try again later. I will try that later. So but basically I've shown you how to complete that particular task. Let me show you one more task for buyers. When you come to buyers here, this particular task, you need to register on this page and complete your KYC, but it has not been going through so far. At the moment, it has not been going through, so you can try this on your own time. If it goes through, register and claim your ORO reward. For under users, always look out for tasks to complete here. And let me check this last task here. Since I just completed one more task, I think I should be able to claim more reward. So as time goes on, always check this complete task and earn ORO rewards so that you can always claim more and more rewards as you complete tasks. Okay, so as your own time, check out completing quest on Interact platform and also completing quest on Premint. If there's any question, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. Like, share this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching, and bye for now.